We did this yesterday. We had a strategy. Leah, can you remind us what we did?
You add 5 and 3 together, and then you divide. So 56 divided by 8 is...
Okay, so yes, exactly. So 5 plus 3, Jack gets 5 parts, Jill gets 3 parts. So how many parts are there in total that we have to split it between? There are 8 parts to the prize, or the tips. 8 parts. Jack gets 5 of them, Jill gets 3 of them. So we have to find what one part is worth first. So one part will be to divide the $56 by 8. So that's $7 is one part. Now no one gets $7, they both get more than that. Jack gets 5 times that, and Jill gets 3 times that. Okay, so that's $35 for Jack, and Jill gets 21, I think, Caesar. 21. Okay. Very good. So that's a pretty straightforward example. What happens if we change that up? We use Jack and Jill again. Jack and Jill, their ratios, this time we change it up a little bit. Their ratios are 7 to 5. But we know that Jack gets no, we won't use it. $42 in tips. How much does Jill get? So now we have the ratio, but we don't know how much the total was this time. So we know how much Jack gets. I know he gets more than Jill, but I don't know how much. Yes, Stefanos.
So if since Jack is for you, that means 1, it's a 6. So that means Jill gets 35. Then you have Jill gets 30. Jill gets 30. No, sorry, 30. You have 30 and 42 together, which is 72, and that's the total.
So this time we don't need to add the parts, yes, because we only have 7 parts. Jack gets 7 parts, and 7 parts equals 42. Do we see that? Because Jack gets 7 parts, 42. So if you know 7 parts are 42, 1 part is dividing this number by 7, which is 6. And what do I need to find? I need to find Jill's bit. So that's 5 parts. So I multiply this number by 5. So I work it down to 1 part to get what 5 parts is, and Jill's is $30, 5 times 6. Okay, so maybe if you don't have an example of splitting ratios, take down at least one of those